Get your lawn on, everybody. Just a quick recap. After a couple of weeks of neglect, I came to an overgrown lawn and a few issues that I had to solve. I went with the dethatch lomo option for the couch, and for the kikuyu, I gradually mowed that down over time. I had to get on top of that fast growth, so I used PGR in some of my products. So there's a link in the description and above to go to the videos to go through the details of exactly what I did. In the first week it does look a little bit gawky, but as you can see the results are going in the right direction. The kikuyu area was definitely a beast, so my cuts were concentrated more on condition rather than colour. It was extremely hot, so I had to syringe water. More details are in the videos in the description. Now, looking at where we come from and into 2 weeks from the start of this little journey, you can see that it's really getting controlled and beautiful colours, and just makes mowing a pleasure. Forward another week and another green light and PGR application, I was really getting on top of it and getting excellent colours. And this is when mowing really becomes a pleasure, because you just got this great consistency, great colour. Yeah, it just looks great and it's just so enjoyable to mow. And this is what I really like about being a lawnie. A couple of products, a couple of inputs and a bit of hard work early on really reaps the benefits further down the track. Not only is this going to be great for the school and the students, but getting your lawn in fantastic condition before the end of summer is very important, because you want to have the best condition going into autumn, the cooler months and dormancy. Now look at the condition of the couch. It is fantastic. This is Tip Tough couch. This is being mowed at 15mm with the MowMaster HC28, a commercial mower. Absolutely fantastic. Look at these fat stripes I'm getting. It's just what I really enjoy about couch and cylinder mowers. There's more details obviously in the videos that are linked in the description, but look, the colours here that I'm getting is from the use of Green Light by Lawnporn. Fantastic liquid iron product. Mid to late summer is a really great time to attack your lawn issues, because there's lots of positive growth and lots of things that you can do, and although it looks scrappy for a while, it really does improve and look better very soon. I mean, look at these results. This is 2 weeks after the 7th of January. I'm getting deep dark greens, great consistency. Okay, there's a few areas that still need to catch up, but it's well on the way to becoming just a fantastic lawn. And just wanted to get this ready for the 30th of January for the students and make it look really great. Next thing we'll be hitting is the school oval. The irrigation's in, it's working, it's a go. We're just getting the top dressed this week, and we'll be able to start laying our soil down around the area, ready for the Tip Tough. Thanks for watching my video, everybody. Like, subscribe, do all that, and get your lawn on.